Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use the Nano Banana AI Gemini for viral portraits. Google Gemini recently introduced Nano Banana AI effects that let you turn photos into 3D style viral portraits. Here's how to try it on iPhone. First of all, what you guys have to do is update the app Gemini. Go to the App Store and update the Gemini app to the latest version. This feature only appears on recent builds. Now, in the Gemini app, tap the plus button and then select the any photo you want. And after that, go to tools and then click on create images. And after you do that, choose a selfie or portrait from your camera roll, and then Gemini will process it and add 3D depth. Gemini will ask you to put a selfie or any type of photos, and after you add a photo, then Gemini will process it and add the prompt you have given, and that's it. Your superhero photo 3D image or whichever prompt you have given is done. This is how you guys can use the Nano Banana effect on your Google Gemini app, and yeah, that's it. Subscribe for more